are pleased to show you the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.